So I've got this John Deere LA115 and it wouldn't start. The ignition key would just sit in there and spin and spin and spin and never start. So I had to replace it. I made a feel with Field Guide to DIY, saving you time and money. Here's how I did it. Let's dive in. You notice the key would go in, but it just spins and spins and spins, and it would never start. Step one is remove the wiring connection from the back of the old switch. Then you've got these compression tabs that have to squeeze in order to get it out of the dashboard. I still had to use a screwdriver and pry it out. Step 3 is connect the wiring connection in the back of the new switch to make sure you're at the right time. Then just simply pop the new switch back in the dashboard. Then connect your wiring connection to the back of the new switch. And we're ready to test.